Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about something pretty different, and we're going to talk about a secret file or executable that exists on Microsoft's official servers, which aims to install a Bing extension so that every browser on your system will have its default search engine changed to Bing. In this video, we're going to analyze this file, and we're going to see exactly what it is trying to do, and we're going to talk about everything that we know so far about this file. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. This video is sponsored by MalwareFox. MalwareFox is a lightweight anti-malware that keeps your PC protected from ransomware, spyware, trojans, and even zero-day threats. It also includes a firewall, file backup, and browser cleaner. Check the description below to start your free trial today. So this was discovered by Panther on Twitter, and he stated that there is a MicrosoftSettings.exe that all it does is asks you if you want to change your default search to Bing, and once setup completes, it opens a rewards page. I have the file here on my computer, so let's go ahead and check it out. This is the file. So on my system, I only have two browsers. I have the Edge browser and the Chrome browser installed, and let's see what happens whenever we run the Microsoft Settings, this secret file from the Microsoft servers that aims to change every browser's default search engine to Bing. Let's run it. This is apparently a WinUI shell with a WebView only file, and as you can see, it looks something like this, and it asks us if we want Microsoft Bing as our default search engine. This is basically a Microsoft recommended search settings. Let's try to leave it as yes, and let's click on accept and continue, and let's see what is going to happen. Let's click on finish. As you can see, it's going to redirect us to Microsoft rewards. Now let's see what happens whenever we open up the Chrome browser, and let's see if any changes have happened. And as you can see inside Chrome, apparently nothing was changed, so that is pretty nice. On Microsoft Edge, as far as I know, the Bing search engine is the default search engine, so nothing surprising here. Now if we run this file again, you're going to notice that it is pretty different because we get this screen which says you haven't changed your settings, don't miss out, and here's what you'll miss: Bing as your default search engine, Microsoft rewards points with every search to earn gift cards and more, and daily wallpapers on new tabs. So let's go ahead and click again on change my settings, and as you can see, this automatically opens up the Chrome browser now and tries to install an extension in our Chrome browser, Microsoft Bing homepage, and search for Chrome, and we can either enable or remove from Chrome. Let's enable it, and let's see here how it looks. As you can see, it looks the same as in Microsoft Edge. So I think this is something pretty weird from Microsoft trying to do this. The good news is that this file or this executable is not offered through Windows Update or through Microsoft Store, even if you try to search for updates or anything in the Microsoft Store. But what is not clear right now is when is Microsoft using this type of file and this type of executable. My guess would be maybe on new computers, maybe on new Microsoft computers, this script would run and would try to set up Bing on all your settings. As you can see, once we run it the third time, it's going to say that all our settings have been updated because it successfully managed to add Bing to our browser. If we were to go ahead and remove this extension, which is Microsoft Bing homepage's search for Chrome, we're going to remove it, and it's actually even trying to make us reinstall it again, which is pretty weird. Let's try to run it again and see if it detects that we've uninstalled that extension, and as you can see, it automatically detects that. And if we go to change my settings, it's gonna try to open up Chrome again as my prediction. And as you can see right now, it opens up the Chrome Web Store. It no longer tries to automatically install it, so now it tries to make us add it to Chrome. As you can see also, what is weird about this Microsoft extension is that it only has 110 ratings but 5 million users. That is actually pretty interesting. So that is my guess. Maybe new computers from Microsoft receive this type of file or this type of executable that tries to change all the search engines to Bing. As I've said, the good news is that it is not offered through Windows Update or Microsoft Store, so I think a normal user won't encounter this. Maybe this is something that is also being offered through the Bing search engine whenever using it with Microsoft Edge or something like that. But as you can see, overall, Chrome, and I think every Chromium-based browser, has a pretty good protection when it comes to extensions like these that want to be really intrusive and install different apps, install different search engines. So yeah, this is one of Microsoft's ways, apparently, in which they try to get you to use Bing on all your browsers. So in my opinion, I think it is the best to always know what you're doing on your system, always know what you are installing, what you are selecting, because as you saw when we ran the app for the first time, it automatically selected that we want to use Bing as our default search engine. So pay attention to that. If you see on your system or in search or in anything like that this app from Microsoft and you don't want to use the Bing search engine, make sure to customize the settings accordingly accordingly. So this is pretty much all there is to it. This is, as I've said, a pretty secret file from Microsoft servers that is being offered to try to make you use the Bing search engine on any browser. So that is pretty interesting. And of course, more information about everything you can find on Panther's Twitter or in other publications. Also, I'm looking forward to seeing your opinion in the comments below. Let me know if you've ever encountered this Microsoft settings file that tries to change your search engine to Bing and what you've done with it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.